Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the Goodnotes not responding to Apple Pencil inputs in 2026. Is your Goodnotes not responding to your Apple Pencil inputs? That's frustrating, but here's how to fix it quickly just by following some few simple steps. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the Goodnotes application. We're just gonna head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and you're gonna type in the search bar Goodnotes. Once you type in Goodnotes, you're gonna find this application right here. Make sure to download only this. It's created by the Goodnotes. And once you download this application, you're gonna make sure to open it. Then you're gonna make sure also to connect via your account or your Google account. Once you connect your Google account, you're gonna check if your Apple Pencil is connected to fix the Goodnote not responding to Apple Pencil input. Once you check if your Apple is connected, you're gonna make sure the Apple Pen is connected via Bluetooth. Then you're gonna try using another app to confirm it works. You can try the Apple Notes application and see if it works there. Also, try using it in another app to confirm it works and restart your device. Now, you're gonna restart your device by holding the power button until you see the restart option. Once you see it, you're gonna click on restart and this will restart your device. Now, if that also doesn't work, try going to the Play Store or App Store. Then you're gonna make sure to update your device or update your Goodnotes application. If an update is available, you're gonna find this in the store and click on update and wait for the update to be completed. Then launch the app again. And if needed, unpair and reconnect the pencil. Input issues are usually hardware or connection related, so follow these few simple steps and fix them fast. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.